Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another round of me trying to be better programmer. Um, it is a round number 3 of this stream, and I will be trying to improve my typing for 5 minutes, and for 30 minutes we will be working on a Spring framework, especially Spring AOP. So, yeah, without further ado, we'll just jump into it and let's see how it goes. Okay. Timer. That felt kind of nice. So let's see how nice the result will be. It's 5 and 38, which is okay. It's very good for me. 5:38. As you can see, it is like below my all-time average, which is nice. Oh, and the average for last 3 days dropped dramatically. It was around 6% lately, but okay. Okay, and we have a few seconds to go, so we will do one monkey type. Okay, so good. This concludes our typing session, and I will proceed here. Start a timer, let's go. This is how you register aspect into context. Yeah. Remember to add AOP support first into your context with AOP aspect JOTA proxy. A joint point is a point during the execution of a program, such as the execution of a method, handling of an exception. Spring AOP, a joint point always represents a method execution. Okay. Well, a method execution, what about like the throwing out an error? But the joint point is still a method. Okay, I see. Predicate that matches joint points. Points is associated with a point code expression and runs at any joint point matched by the point code. Those are the point cuts, okay. Do you have different one than execution? Introduction. You could use an introduction to make a bean implement and is modified in phase to simply cache. Oh, great, okay. Object being advised by one or more aspects, also referred to as the advised object. Since Spring AOP is implemented using runtime proxies, this object will always be a proxied object. Okay, I don't know what this means. In our example, employee manager is advised object, hence it is the target object. Okay, it goes over my head totally. An object created by the AOP framework in AOP proxy object created by the AOP framework in order to implement the aspect contract. Advanced method execution. So in the Spring framework, the AOP proxy will be a JDK dynamic proxy or a CGLib proxy. Okay, so I think from the code, I'm guessing, right? So I think like we would be like advising the employee manager, right? Here. So maybe if we have a look into the target, maybe we will see something else, but we don't. Okay. Generated sources, nothing. Okay. Oh well. Okay. I'll close this. That was control that. Oh, okay. So we did that, right? Now, after here, your example, how do you... Proxy object is created when we ask to pin a reference for employee manager. You can see the proxy class in below image, which is screenshot of debugger in runtime. Proxies in debugger, okay. So we are good now and can relate the key terms of Spring AOP with the actual piece of code. Type of advices which we are, yeah, before, after throwing after advice around advice can perform custom behavior before and after the method invocation. It's also responsible for choosing whether to proceed to the join point or to shortcut the advisor method execution by returning its own return value or throwing an exception. I see. I think this is what happened to me. A previous example that it was not called. Those methods, they were not called. I think that's what happened. That's what did happen. Happy learning. Reference Spring Docs. Oh, let's see that. White. Wow, there's so much to learn. Like, everywhere I look, there's like a rabbit hole for me to waiting. So, let's say we go this. What is happening to my iteration to the Spring IOC container? It's kind of nice. Many developers choose Java-based configuration for Spring. Yeah. Still loads, okay. Basic concept, speed and configuration. What the fuck is happening with everything here? Let me see. Do I need more RAM or something? Physical memory 13, and it looks like I'll check that after finishing this. Maybe I will be upgrading my RAM in the notebook. Or I can just close all the shit I have open. Huh? That will be much cheaper way how to do it, how to deal with it. Yeah, I'll be just closing all the like tabs. I have like million, like 100 tabs in there, 100 tabs over there. Yeah. is Java. It's nicely written. Oh, I want what it wants update. Okay. This is nice actually. There's a lot to read, but I like it. I like it. What is the 1 and 2? It's nicely written. I like it. It looks like there is like, well, everything is well written in here, but I wanted to instead of the XML, you know, like the application context. So I will say, where's the convention to put the configuration of that? Like if it's like Java configuration. I will try, okay? So here I will create a class, application context. Yep, and this will be add configuration. Here we go. Now, if we go back and forward, so we will have the aspect auto proxy. So that one will be and that one should be no, enable aspect auto proxy, that's that. And then what? So we have this, right? That is what we did so far. Then the components can, so I want the, how do I? What the hell? Why it did? Oh my god. Okay. Whatever. How did it shifted that position from there to there? Oh, never mind. Okay, so we are searching for annotation ALP configuration. Okay, it's maybe here. Base. Okay, so this is the XML. Right, and there will be somewhere. Slicer. Schema based. Saw this before already. And I'm at the beginning. Okay, so what do I want to achieve? I want the base package using annotation. AOP base package using Java configuration. Okay, so I'll take here, here, and here, for example. Let's see. So we are searching for base. Doesn't look good. What did I even search for? Okay, so maybe package 32. Okay. Execution within. Weaver. I don't know what the Weaver is. Nothing here. Package, no. Okay, this is not it. Oh, here we go. Why this is not possible with annotation base? Spring Boot supports XML based configurations and the requirement can be achieved for us. Okay, so we can, this is like nicer than the annotation thingy. So I will try to do that. So this we will skip. I will go to resources. Here it will be the properties. How do I? Okay, so I say file, and it will be application properties. Application properties. I say base package equal com.pgp, like so. Takes so much time to learn anything, god damn it. So many hours. So many hours. It's unbelievable. Oh, okay. So I did this. Now, if you go back to the application context, Java configuration. Yeah. So here we will this will return the bean which you are asking for, and that was the logging aspect, right? So public employee manager, I'll return new employee manager, like so. Okay, now in the test AOP, we will change this guy. We will not get it from the class path. We will do new annotation config, blah blah blah. Yeah, and so we no application context dot class, like so. Now this will be context, and maybe it will run. Illegal reflective operation has occurred. There's a good and bad message. Good is that it did run. The bad is it did not run our thing. Oh, I probably have to, because previously I did create the bean, right? So this would be the CRUDA, the logging aspect, and okay. So this will be employee CRUDA aspect. The name was, oh come on, the name was logging aspect. Like so, and here we will return employee CRUDA aspect. Okay, what about now? Okay, it bombed out like totally. No such definition, no qualifying bean for employee manager is defined. How come I did not have to define it previously in... Okay, well, whatever. So I will create a bean too. Public, and that was employee manager. Oh, come on. Employee manager, turn new employee manager, like so. And if I run it now, it works. It works. I have like lots of warnings, but it works. It works. So I did find out how to do it. That's cool. That's success. Success. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Okay. So this timer says that we are done. Done is better than perfect. And we'll see if we will do another round or not. This one is complete.